Before diving into our first React Native project, it's crucial to explore a vital topic: Expo versus React Native. Both frameworks allow the development of Android and iOS apps, but they differ significantly in terms of maintenance, ease of setup, and platform compatibility. Now, we already know what React Native is. React Native is an open-source framework maintained by Meta, designed for building cross-platform apps. Expo, on the other hand, is an independent open-source framework maintained by Expo itself. While they share this common goal, their approaches and additional features set them apart. Unlike plain React Native, which can be challenging and time-consuming to set up, Expo provides a streamlined experience. One of the key advantages of Expo is its suite of tools and services built around React Native, which greatly simplifies the development process. If it helps, think of Expo as a framework on top of a framework, much like Next.js is to React. With plain React Native, you cannot build iOS apps on a Windows or Linux machine. Native iOS apps can only be built on Mac OS. But with Expo, you can develop on Windows or Linux and still run your app on a physical iPhone. Expo has evolved significantly over the years and now supports nearly all the features necessary for building enterprise mobile apps. However, in the event that you do require access to native Android or iOS code, Expo allows you to eject your app. This flexibility ensures that you have the option to leverage Expo while still retaining the ability to tap into native code when necessary. If you're exploring the official documentation, you'll notice that Expo is the default choice for setting up your development environment. This endorsement by the React Native community highlights Expo as the optimal starting point for beginners. Expo provides a smoother onboarding experience, and it is what we will be using in this series. Join me in the next video, where we will create our first React Native project using Expo. Thank you.